recording. So 19, right? Because it says find the measure of the indicated angle. That means you are inversing. So you're going to end up shifting and then hitting that sine, cosine, tangent button. Okay? So, SOHCAHTOA, right? SOHCAHTOA. If this is my angle OAH, this is my opposite. This isn't right. This is my adjacent. This is my hypotenuse. Okay, which side is blank? The A, right? The A doesn't have a label, an original label of a value or a variable. So that means cosine and tangent are out, and so sine or so's the winner. So now sine of theta is equal to O, 39 over H, 44. And then most of the students just go straight to a calculator at that point, but I will still write it correctly, and you can't even see. Better. Okay, so sine, whoops, shift sine of 39 over 44. You don't have to close the parenthesis, but by the way, if you tried to close it and I didn't click to the right, see how it only parentheses my denominator? You would have to click to the right and then hit the parenthesis if you want to like completely like encapsulate it. Okay, so you get 62.4 degrees, but inverse 39 over 44. So what's the measure of angle theta? 62.4 degrees.
Correct.
Yeah, that's not bad. I was trying to find a tangent. So we could go to 24. I could keep talking on the video if you guys are okay with it. So we'll go to 24, because that's tangent. And then next week we can start the unit circle at this point once we gather it all. Okay, if I look at tangents, so again, we don't like the question mark, so I'll call this X this time. You can label it theta or X. Okay, this is O-A-H. All right, so SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. All right, which side is blank? The H. So there's no sine, cosine, tangent is the only trig ratio that doesn't use H, right? It's the leg ratio. It's over opposite over adjacent. All right, so then tangent of angle X, right, if you want to call it something else, 13 over 16. And so most of you would go to the calculator, but what's the measure of angle X? Inverse tangent of 13 over 16. And you get shift tan. And you don't have to close the parenthesis. And you're at 39.1 degrees. Easy, right? 25, 26, and all the way down, it's actually, they should have switched the two. Like, they should have had you do 25 first. I know, right? Like, even Miss Laura's like, yeah, you should. You would, they're asking you to now isolate the variable and just make sure you can type, wait, 7547, yeah. Okay, shift sine, and then 0.7547 10 thousandths, 10s, 100,000, yeah, 10 thousandths. And I get, well, that's pretty much 49 degrees. I know I tell you guys to give me decimals, but it's 999, so then it's just, what did I say, 49 degrees? Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, fair. All right, I'll shut the video off. So we got 62.4, 39.1, and 49. Okay, the retest was supposed to be today, but I guess after that deluge yesterday, there was just a lot of you not here, and then I guess an accident, traffic, whatever. So Tuesday, I'll see what you guys want to do. Like, do you want to retest too? But it has to be on the same day. You can't do Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'll just see if you guys are okay. We'll do the retest on Wednesday then. Fair? Yeah. it to review. Okay, all right. So I'll put in the announcement so like your parents are like, so did you retest? And you're like, she didn't give it to me. Because we're extending it. There you go. How you doing? You want to do it right now?
Yeah.
You're